Gentlemen, good evening. The cat licked me awake and told me that you expected an actual video this evening. However, I do not have time to edit it appropriately, so this may suck. If so, I apologize. Before you see a box. Now, recall, perhaps as little as a week ago, the time slips by, I'm not sure, but perhaps as little as a week ago I was making fun of unboxing videos, yet here we are, with a camera and a box, and I suppose that this is all just some kind of strange metaphor for the paradoxical irony of my own self-loathing. But yes, a box. I've been waiting for this day for, how long has this been in development? Like 10 years or something like that? Here we have the collector's edition of Nox Archaist, an Ultima-inspired role-playing game for the Apple II series of computers. It just released on the 12th. I didn't think it would ever come out. When it was first announced on Kickstarter, I thought to myself, they will never finish this. I was wrong. I was very wrong, gentlemen. In fact, since Cyberpunk 2077 won't run on a Phenom 2 CPU, which is what my Windows machine has in it, I will actually be playing this before Cyberpunk 2077, which is meme-worthy considering how long it was delayed. Oh man, it's so beautiful. I hate to break the shrink wrap. Perhaps I will get another copy of the collector's edition that I can keep packaged up. But I must open this. I must. I'm doing it for you guys. Yes, and myself. But, whatever. Alright. My box knife stinks like Sudan grass, because I've been cutting open hay bales with it. Oh god, the smell. That's okay, because the smell of newly minted Apple II role-playing game overwhelms the stench of agriculture. Look at this artwork, gentlemen. Oh, look at it. Oh, God. I didn't think it would ever get done. Here's a letter with a wax seal on it. A parchment. Perhaps it's a letter of marque so that I can pirate games. A cloth map reminiscent of Ultima's 4 and later. Beautiful. Oh god, it's so beautiful. I shall have to build a frame for it. Oh my, oh my, oh my. I shouldn't have touched it with my filthy Sudex covered fingers. Or Sudan grass. Sudex is a brand of Sudan grass. Never mind. Oh, it's so wondrous. Here's is this a sticker? A sticker. Fortunately, I don't want to. Unfortunately, I don't want to stick this on any old machines, but perhaps at some point I shall have a newish machine that it can be stuck upon. What do we have here? A postcard from the Isles of Winmar. Ah, it is. It's like opening an Infocom game back in the day. This is beautiful, guys. And here's a thumb drive in the shape of a floppy disk for those of us who use emulators. I shall be trying to use this on the actual Apple IIgs, which was the whole point of getting that phasor working and all of that stuff. Now, I would like to know where they found 5 1/4 inch floppy disks in this day and age. Surely these are all used discs. There are places that sell used discs. I'd say they are, but where else do you get them? That's cool though. Look at this label. It's a wondrous label. Look at all these discs. It's like playing Ultima 5 all over again. Fortunately, we have a SCSI hard drive to install that too. Oh! I thought I was going to have blank floppy disks. See, there was a problem with the floppy disk version, so they were going to ship it out. We had the choice of getting our disks blank and writing the images ourselves, or waiting and getting written disks that that had the floppy drive fix in them. And damn straight, Skippy. I guess they fixed it before they shipped this out, so yeah, I'll definitely have to try that. Hell yeah, I'm not going to have to fart around with my floppy emu to get that, get it installed. I can just install it off the floppies. So here's some kind of coin of the realm. Yes. Yes. And something wrapped in paper. What could this be? This is very, very much like unboxing an Infocom game. I don't think all this loot comes with the non-collector's edition. Oh, I can be a filthy hippie and have a crystal now. I'm sure this has some tie-in to the game. I guess we will see. Look at this artwork. Oh, look, here this dude has the crystal in his hand. Like he's going to whip our asses with it. He's going to beat us over the head with hippie crystal shit until we, like, open our minds to the universe and stuff. And a manual. Look at this manual. You don't get manuals like this with games anymore. This is beautiful, man. Abso-frickin-lutely beautiful. Oh, look at all this artwork, man. Well, maybe they're... Oh, look at all that. Oh, gosh. Oh, it's like... Oh, man. Oh, man. It's like it's actually like an old Ultima manual. Even the font, they're using this, like... What is that font? It's that font that they overused in the 80s. All of the Dungeons and Dragons manuals, the basic D&D manuals, used it too. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, man. They put a lot of work into this thing. I apologize, Nox Archaist guys, if you're actually watching this, which I doubt, but I apologize for doubting you guys. It took a long damn time, but you fucking delivered, dudes. This is epic, man. Epic. 2020 sees the release of a boxed game, like a AAA boxed game for the Apple II. Fucking A, man. This is the most amazing thing that I've seen for some time. Thank you for joining me, gentlemen. I'll talk to you next time. I may actually make another channel for streaming and stream some of that, if you guys think that would be interesting. Let me know. I've also thought about streaming just sitting around working on old computer shit some evenings, which I think would be boring as fuck, but, you know, that's not for me to decide. So let me know what you think about that idea, guys. Alright, cool. Thanks for joining me. I can't remember what the website is off the top of my head, but I'm sure DuckDuckGo can find it for you. So, if this looks interesting to you, check it out. I'm not financially connected to them or anything like that, but these guys really delivered. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. See you later. Have a great evening.